Good morning, sir. This is Pratibha from CSCA section. Today I discuss about the types of solid waste. What is solid waste? Solid waste in solid waste management refers to any non-liquid materials that is discarded as useless or unwanted by households, commercial establishments, industries and institutions. This includes items like food waste, paper, plastics, metal, glass, construction debris and other materials. It also includes hazardous waste, biomedical waste and electronic waste when they are in solid form. The goal of solid waste management is to collect, treat and dispose of these materials in a way that is safe, efficient and environmentally friendly is known as the solid waste. Types of solid waste. First one, municipal solid waste, MSW. Description is waste generated from households, offices, schools and businesses. For example, food scraps, paper plastics, glass bottles, cardboard textiles. Importance of municipal solid waste. It is the most common type of waste and requires efficient collection and disposal system. Second one is the industrial waste. Description is waste produced by manufacturing and industrial activities. For example, chemical, scrap metals, plastics, paints, ash. Importance of industrial waste is can be hazardous and often requires special handling or treatment. And third one is hazardous waste. Description is waste that is dangerous or potentially harmful to human health or the environment. For example, like batteries, pesticides, medical waste, industrial chemicals. Importance of hazardous waste is requires careful handling, storage and disposal to avoid contamination. Biomedical waste. Description is waste generated from hospitals, clinics and medical labs. For example, like syringes, used bandages, gloves, pathological waste. Importance of biomedical waste is can be infectious or radioactive, needs sterilization or incineration. Electronic waste. It's also called e-waste. Description is discarded electronic devices and components. For example, computer, TVs, smartphones, circuit boards. Importance of e-waste is contains valuable toxic materials. Recycling is critical. Agricultural waste. Description is waste generated from farming and animal husbandry. For example, like crop residues, manure, pesticide containers. Importance of agriculture waste is can be composed but improper disposal leads to pollution. Construction and demolition waste. Description is waste from building sites, renovations and demolitions. For example, like bricks, concrete, wood, steel, glass. Importance like often bulky can be reused or recycled if properly sorted. Mining waste. Description is waste generated from mining operations. For example, like overburden, tilings, slag. Importance of mining waste is can contaminate water and soil if not managed correctly. Commercial waste is waste from shops, restaurants, markets and offices. For example, like packaging materials, food waste, paper, plastics. Importance of commercial waste is similar to municipal waste but generated in larger quantities. And institutional waste. Description is waste generated by institutions like schools, colleges, prisons and government buildings. For example, like paper, furniture and food waste. Importance of institutional waste is needs regular management similar to municipal waste. And these are the types of solid wastes. Understanding the different types of solid waste is essential for effects solid waste management. Solid waste can be broadly classified into the several categories including municipal, industrial, biomedical, agriculture and hazardous waste. Each type has unique characteristics and requires specific methods for collection, treatment and disposal. Proper classification helps in adopting suitable waste management strategies, minimizing like environmental impact and promoting reuse, recovery and recycling. Effective management of all types of solid waste is crucial for public health, environmental sustainability and overall urban cleanliness. Thank you, sir.